Imagine taking complete control of your life in just 2 years. I'm talking about stop living paycheck to paycheck, completely wiping out all of your debt, and actually living the life that you've envisioned and dreamed of. Well, today I'm going to teach you 5 things to ditch out of your life to become debt-free. And before I jump into our intro here, I want to hear something from you. What does the word debt make you feel like? Make sure you comment down below and we'll get right into these tips. Alright, so let's jump into these 5 things that you need to ditch in order to become debt-free and live the life that you've always dreamed of. Number 1 is ditching all of your excuses. You need to own the situation that you're in order to move forward and get out of it. So whether you are slammed with student loan debt, you're in a job that you don't like, you're not making enough income, your spending is completely out of control, you need to own your situation in order to improve it. You need to tell yourself, I got myself in this situation. Stop making excuses on why you're still in it or why you can't change your life. The one thing that's going to help you is taking action. So if you're telling yourself right now you're in way too much student loan debt, you'll never become debt free, you'll never be able to get out of it, turn that voice off. All right, number 2, you need to ditch your ignorance. You cannot pretend like money is not a tool to get you to where you want to be in life. You cannot pretend like money doesn't matter, that money is not super important and it's hard to get and you're trading your time for money. And unfortunately, our parents, our teachers, our professors, our friends, they all let us down. If you're like a majority of people, you do not get taught financial literacy growing up, which means that you are left alone to figure out how to budget, how to manage your money, how to pay off debt, how to make money on the side, on side hustles. That's all left to you. But you need to take that action. So you cannot just accept ignorance. Throw that out the door. Ditch that. Pick up a book and read a financial book. Listen to a podcast. Go check out our website, thesavvycouple.com. We have tons of stuff on financial literacy. You need to educate yourself, and this is so important because money is so powerful when you use it as a tool for your life. This is something that you definitely don't want to disregard, and you want to make sure that you take the time to well educate yourself with money. There's a bunch of different personal finance books out there. We'll link them below that have really changed our life, and we believe they can change yours as well. And let's move on to number 3. All right, the third thing you need to ditch in your life is negative people. Negative people are like a cancer to your life. They bring you down, they let you not progress forward in life, and they keep you where you're at and keep you at that level place that you don't want to be. You always want to be progressing, moving forward, and better in yourself, better in your situation, better in your life. You want to go from surviving to thriving. You don't want to be stuck in that phase of just surviving paycheck to paycheck, stressed about money. If you're going to commit to this, this is how you do it. You look around at your 5 best friends and you see where they're at in their life. And if that's not where you want to be, then you need to change and you need to ditch those people out of your life. If you have a negative parent in your life that's telling you can't do it, if you have a negative colleague, a negative friend, a negative spouse, well, that one's a little bit harder, but you need to push them further away so that their negativity is not coming onto you. You need to have a positive outlook on this, and in order to become debt-free, you need to really have that positivity flowing through you and know that it's going to be this journey and it's just going to be difficult. And if you have negative people surrounding you, it's going to be much harder to achieve those goals. So right now, if you're committing to looking around at those 5 people that are closest to you, because you are basically a mirror of those 5 people. If you surround yourself with negative people that aren't going anywhere in life, that's what you're going to become. If you surround yourself with people that you really look up to that are just crushing it in life, living the life that they've envisioned and dreamed of, that's what you're going to be able to do. So surround yourself with those positive people. All right, so right now, if you're committing to ditching those people out of your life that are bringing you negativity, like the video, that's your commitment to me. It also helps the YouTube algorithm, so much appreciated. But like the video, comment below that you are committing to doing this. This is one of the most powerful things that you can do and that you can take action on and ditch out of your life so that you can become debt free. All right, number 4, you need to ditch the fear that comes with being in debt, that comes with change, that comes with learning new things. Fear is going to keep you back, just like, what was the other one? Just like all your excuses. You need to wipe fear out of the way, and you need to have that positive outlook. And these all stack on top of each other, guys. All these things that you're going to remove from your life to propel yourself forward. So fear is almost paralyzing, and it'll cause you to be okay with being comfortable and being okay with, okay, I have $50,000 of student loan debt. I don't need to pay it off. Everyone has debt. That's BS. You want to take action on that. You want to throw your fear out the window. You want to put yourself outside of your comfort zone that you can move forward and pay off this debt. And be more financially free. All right, number 5 is isolation. You need to surround yourself with positive people. You need to surround yourself with like-minded people that are trying to improve their life. Just like getting rid of the negative people in your life, you can't just do it on your own. Becoming debt-free is a journey. You need support around you. You need family. You need friends that are there to help you during those tough times where you're barely making the minimum payment. It's a rough month. An emergency happened, like a car broke down, or there's a death in the family. You need that support around you to really achieve your goals. And we've found that having our Facebook group, Family Finance Freedom, has really helped a bunch of our readers on our blog and our YouTube followers here. Just surrounding yourself with those like-minded people that are there to support you and encourage you during those hard times. So if you are trying to do this on your own, I highly suggest that you don't. So one way to surround yourself with like-minded people that want to help you achieve your dream of becoming debt-free and financially free is go to our website, thesavvycouple.com, join our email list. We check in with you guys often, all of our savvy readers. We're a close-knit family. We call you guys the Savvy Family. We have a Facebook group, Family Finance Freedom, where people are paying off debt left and right. They're celebrating it together, getting on a budget together, and we're figuring out this financial literacy together because you cannot do it alone. This is a long journey. It doesn't happen overnight. And when you surround yourself with people that want you to succeed and are there for you to encourage you during those hard times, you're way more apt to succeed overall. Number 6, and this is a bonus. You're welcome. If you have credit card debt from month to month, you need to ditch those credit cards. Credit cards are just a financial trap. They are just as bad as buying a brand new car. The interest rates of them are astronomical, and when you're paying them off month to month, carrying that debt, only making the minimum payment, you are just adding so much more stress and money, interest that you have to pay back, and just digging yourself into bigger debt hole. And that's what the companies want you to do, is use credit cards, swipe them left and right. Once you get into that hole of credit card debt, it's so hard to get out of because the interest rates are insane. We use credit cards because we have a budget, and we follow it, and we give our money a plan. And we know that each month, at the end of the month, when the statement comes out, say it's $2,000, $3,000, we have that money in our checking to pay that off. And we have that money plan to make sure that happens. So we've never missed a payment. They can be used and they are a good tool to be used, but you really need to have a good money plan in order to make them useful. So if you're carrying credit card debt from month to month and making the minimum payment and that's a big stress on you, just ditch them. Cut them in half, use your debit card, use a cash system. We're big on simplicity and saving time, so we would use debit cards if we didn't use credit cards. All right, guys, that was the 5 things you need to ditch in order to become debt-free and live the life you've always dreamed of. Please, if you found this video useful, if you are making that commitment to me, Brittany, the Savvy Family, to become debt-free and really ditch that lifestyle of living paycheck to paycheck and being stressed and burdened with that debt, comment, like, subscribe. We have lots more videos coming your way to help you live the life of freedom. But before you go, please head to the description and click on the link that's going to share our story of paying off $25,000 of student loan debt in 5 months. Lots of good tips there that you can grab. And along with that, we have a debt template that we want you to have, and it's a little gift to you that's also in the description. And we will see you next time. Cannot wait to help you on your journey to becoming debt-free.